So, hello students, welcome to Jadesar Plus 2 Science Residential College. I am Dr. Arvind, present here to discuss on a very interesting topic in information technology, that is addition and subtraction operation on number systems. So, as all of you know, in computer it follows 4 number systems, that is binary, octal, decimal and hexadecimal. So, already it is discussed. Okay. So, that is what binary number systems. So, binary number system, why it is called binary? Because this number system contains only 2 numbers, that is 0 and 1, and its base value is 2. So, how can you recognize whether it is a binary number or decimal number or octal or hexadecimal? So, that depending on the base value. So, if the base value is 2, that means it is a binary number system or binary number. Then octal number system. Octal number system, that is 8 numbers, that is 0, 1 up to 7. So, 0 to 7 includes what? 8 numbers. So, its base value is what? Base 8. So, if the base 8, then that indicates it is a octal number systems, right? Then decimal number systems. Decimal number system. So, decimal number system includes 0, 1 up to 9. Decimal means what? 10 numbers. So, 0 to 9 indicates what? 10 numbers, and its base value 10. So, if the base value is 10 means that indicates a what? The number is a decimal number. Similarly, your hexadecimal. Hexadecimal number systems. So, hexadecimal number system means what? Hexa means 16. So, that is what? 0, 1 up to 15. Okay. But in number system, there is no such number. Okay. Up to it can what? Recognize up to 0 to 9. Then instead of 0 to 9, then instead of 10, okay, instead of 10 it use A character, then 11 it use B character, 12 C, for 13 D, 14 E and 15 F. So, in this way what? It includes 16 number system, that is 0 to 9, then A, B, C, D, E, F, and its base value is what? Base 16. So, if the number having the base value 16 means that number indicates hexadecimal number systems, right? And whatever the conversions, okay. So, just to follow the previous video lectures, that is binary to octal, binary to decimal, binary to hexadecimal, then octal to binary, octal to decimal, octal to hexadecimal, then decimal to binary, decimal to octal, decimal to hexadecimal. So, all the conversations, okay, conversations already discussed in the previous video lectures, okay. So, prefer that one. And in today's video lectures, we will discuss about how the arithmetic means only addition and subtraction operation can be performed on the number system. So, how the binary number system you can perform the addition subtraction, octal number system addition subtraction operations, and decimal and hexadecimal also, right. So, one by one we will discuss. So, first come to binary number systems. So, how you can apply the addition subtraction operations on binary number systems, right. So, see, in binary number systems, see the base value is 2. So, सबुआड़े base value binary number system रा 2 ही रहेगा, right. यदि 2 किंबा 2 to what greater हला, then you can apply conversation system. See, suppose take a binary number. Suppose you want to add 1 1 0 1, then 1 1. Okay. See, this is a binary system, only contains 0 and 1, and second number is also a binary number system, only contains 0 and 1. See, 1 1. First you add simple addition. 1 1 is 2. So, you cannot put 2 here because binary number system addition means what? It only contains 0 and 1. So, you cannot put 2 here. Okay. So, 2 means what? Again you apply the conversion divided by 2. So, 2 1 2 carry, then 1 1, see the number is what? 1 0. So, 1 0 means put 0 here and carry 1. বুঝতে পারছো? फर्स्ट नंबर जमी तुम डेसिमल एडिशन कर सेमती सो पुट कैरी 1 हियर देन अगेन 1 plus 0 plus 1 is how much 2 again 2 means what you cannot put 2 here so again you find out its binary conversion is what 1 0 so again 0 carry 1 right again 1 1 2 2 means again 0 carry 1 right so again 1 1 2 so again 0 carry 1 so 1 here so very simple right so how can you know whether the operation is correct or not right very simple you simply find out the decimal conversion of this and decimal conversion of this see 1 1 0 1 so how can you find out the decimal conversion very simple the power systems okay so that is from right to left put here in this way 2 to the power 0 2 to the power 1 2 to the power 2 2 to the power 3 right and then see this 2 to the power 3 into 1 that is what 8 plus 2 to the power 2 4 into 1 4 plus 2 to the power 1 is 2 2 into 0 2 plus 2 to the power 0 is 1 1 into 1 1 sorry into 0 means what this is 0 then this equal to 8 plus 4 plus 1 is what 14 so this equal to us 14 and 1 1 similarly same technique from right to left 2 to the power 0 2 to the power 1 so this how much 2 to the power 1 into 1 is 2 plus 2 to the power 0 is 1 1 into 1 is 1 equal to 3 so 13 plus 3 is what 16 okay and you convert this one and check whether it is what equivalent with 16 or not same technique 2 to the power 0 2 to the power 1 2 to the power 2 2 to the power 3 2 to the power 4 okay so 2 to the power 4 is 16 into 1 is 16 plus this is 0 plus this is 0 plus this is 0 plus this is 0 so equal to 16 so you can in this way you can check your answer whether it is correct or not clear so this is the technique of what binary addition how to find out the addition so same style in decimal also you are performing the same tasks okay see first we will discuss the addition then we will switch over to the subtraction concepts right okay next come to decimal number systems okay decimal number systems the addition operation of decimal number systems decimal number system so how can you find out the addition number system of means addition operation of decimal number system same style suppose decimal number taking the example of 45 base 10 plus suppose 16 base 10 okay so normal way we are performing what suppose 45 16 okay जेमती तुमे जनरल एडिशन करछो सेमती तुमे जनरली केमती एडिशन करछो 5 plus 6 is how much 6 plus 5 plus 6 is 11 1 carry 1 okay 4 plus 1 is 5 plus 1 is 6 61 एमती करे तुमे जनरल ऑपरेशन करछो तो 5 plus 6 11 1 carry 1 केमती नेलो सेम स्टाइल आमे जेमिति बाइनरी ऑपरेशन कलु एडिशन डेसिमल ले भी आमे सेम स्टाइल ले करछो देखो आम स्टाइल बर्तन आसीबा केमि देखो 45 बेस 16 एक्चुअली एमती ऑपरेशन हुए किंतु आमे अकाउंटेड अछि एमती वे राइट सी डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम तार बेस वैल्यू केते 10 सो केबे भी गोटे नंबर 10 से इक्वल हबनी कि 10 टू ग्रेटर हबनी जति इक्वल किबा ग्रेटर होउची देन तुम ता कोन करबो 10 से डिवाइड करबो जेमि बाइनरी ऑपरेशन हम करथले एडिशन राइट सो सी 5 plus 6 11 सो 11 मोटे पुट कर परबिन कोन पई 10 टू ग्रेटर हे गेलन सो मु कोन करबी 11 को 10 रे डिवाइड करबी 10 1 11 सॉरी 10 1 10 रिमाइंडर 1 सो मोर बाइनरी कन्वर्सन कत होला 1 1 ओके ताले मोटे कोन करबी 1 पुट करली एठी 1 कैरी ऑनली क्लियर देन 4 + 1 is 5 + 1 is 6 6 टा कौन 10 भितर रोची रेंज भितर सो 6 पुट करा होची सेम स्टाइल सब नंबर सिस्टम रो एडिशन सेमती सब ऑक्टल नंबर सिस्टम भी आमे सेमती आसीबा डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम क्लियर हैला सो आफ्टर परफॉर्मिंग द ऑपरेशंस नो नंबर मस्ट बी ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू 10 जदि इक्वल टू कि ग्रेटर देन 10 हैला देन यू डिवाइड इट बाय इट्स बेस वैल्यू सहित डिवाइड करा हबो रिमाइंडर टा को रखा हबो और रेस्ट नंबर टा को एठी गणा जिवो क्लियर हैला दैट द डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम ओके नेक्स्ट पळे आसीबो ऑक्टल नंबर सिस्टम्स रो एडिशन ऑक्टल नंबर सिस्टम्स हम जानले कोन बेस वैल्यू कते 8 तो बेस वैल्यू 8 मींस सब सेम वैल्यू टा मुने भी सो 4 5 बेस 8 प्लस 1 6 बेस 8 राइट तो एठी कोन बेस वैल्यू 8 तो सबोले हमको माइंड रे रखिया पे पड़िबो 8 किंबा 8 टू ग्रेटर केबे भी किछ नंबर हबोनी राइट चलो सी 4 5 एटाला 1 6 so 5 plus 6 is how much 11 right 11 so 11 means it kete achi more base value 8 achi so greater than 8 so 11 divided by 8 so 8 1 11 carry is 3 so as I have suggested what put the remainder here and 1 here simple okay then 4 plus 1 is 5 plus 1 is 6 so in the range of 8 63 so not 63 63 base 8 easy very simple right then come to your hexadecimal number systems hexadecimal number systems so hexadecimal number system see suppose 4 5 base 16 plus 1a base 16 so in 16 see base 16 means hexadecimal number systems it includes the characters like a b c d like that okay so 45 see 4 5 and then 1 a right plus so here a means what a means 10 because it's a hexadecimal number system so directly we add 10 plus 5 that is what 15 10 plus 5 is 15 that is within the hexadecimal number systems 16 so 10 plus 5 is 15 means what f so directly you write here f very simple because there is no such number like 15 in hexadecimal number systems it means what f and 4 plus 1 is 5 within the range of 16 so 5 so answer will be what 5f very simple 5f base 16 take another example say suppose a b base 16 plus base 16 plus 1a base 16 okay see what will the answer so a b 1a give the addition see b means what b means 11 a means 10 so 11 plus 10 is how much 11 plus 10 is 21 right so but 21 exceeds the number 16 so you divide it by its base value that is 16 1 16 right 16 1 16 carries how much 5 right so put 5 here and carry 1 remainder here and 1 as the carry very simple right then add a means what 10 plus 1 is 11 plus 1 is 12 so write 12 here but there is no such number like 12 means what a 10 b 11 c 12 so you write here c so c 5 base 16 very simple right so एडिशन रे कौन हम केबे भी तुम देखिबो केबे भी रिजल्ट मोर बेस वैल्यू टू ग्रेटर की इक्वल हबन जदि ग्रेटर की इक्वल होउची देन द टेक्निक इज व्हाट divide it by its base value, then keep the remainder here and carry here. Okay. So whatever the number systems, okay, so this is the simple way of finding the additions. Clear? So see, there is a trick. Suppose, see, these are the 4 number system: binary, octal, decimal and hexadecimal. So this technique you can apply on any number systems. Suppose, see, there is a number like suppose 4, 5, base 7. So this is not what? It's neither a binary, neither a nor a octal, nor a decimal, nor a hexadecimal. It's the base 7 plus 1, 3, base 7 equal to what? Base 7. Whatever the see 7, 7. And another technique is what? You can perform on the operation, that is addition operations, if the base values are same. Suppose this the number is base 7, the number is base 6, then you cannot perform the operations. Both the base value must be same, right? Then, so this is what? 4, 5, 1, 3. The same technique. See, 5 plus 3 is how much? 8. So 8 exceeds the base value 7. So divided by 7. So 7, 1, 7, carry 1. Very simple. So 1, carry 1 here. Okay. Then 4 plus 1 is 5 plus 1 is 6. 6, 1. So 6, 1, base 7. Clear? So whatever the base value, you just apply the same technique. Okay. If the operation exceeds the base value, then you divide, exceeds or equal to the base value, then you divide it by its base value. Okay. Then remainder here and carry here. The simple, clear about the addition operations, right? Now come to the subtraction operations on the number systems, right? So how can you perform the subtraction operation on the number systems? Subtraction operation. So first come to binary. How can you perform the binary number systems? Okay. Or first you come to decimal number system. That is our number system. Then we will come to binary, then octal, then hexadecimal. Okay. Decimal number system. That is suppose 4, 5 base 10 minus 1, 6 base 10. Right. So what will the result? Okay. So this is our number system, that is whatever we are following, we are performing the subtraction. Suppose आमे केमिति वे परफॉर्म करछो 4, 5 आउ 1, 6 subtraction आमे जनरली केमिति करू 1 एटी कैरी नै आसु तो एटा 15 हे गला तो 15 minus 6 is 9. ओके. एंड देन एटी केते रहला 3 minus 1 is 2 केते 29. एटा हमर एज यूजुअल ऑपरेशन एक्चुअली हुए केमिति एक्चुअली सी 4, 5, 1, 6 minus. So as the base value is 10, so whatever you are what taking the borrow, जहाँ भी तुम्हें borrow आनुचो, that borrow will be what 10. Okay, 1 आनुचो माने सेटा indicate करचु केते 10. So मोटी 1 आनली माने केते एटा केते 10 हला. ताले 10 plus जति की borrow आनली 10 plus 5 कली केते हला 15. 15 minus 9 6 करचु एटा केते हला 9. एटा रहला केते 3 minus 1 is 2. So this is the technique. So आमे actually 1 borrow आनु नै आमे actually 10 borrow आनु छे because base value is 10. Clear हला. Suppose आउट एग्जांपल देखो आउट के क्लियर हबो तो मोर एटी कोन आंसर हला 29 base 10. Suppose मु आउट एग्जांपल एमति नेबी 4, 1, 5 minus suppose 1, 7, right? 4, 1, 5 minus 1, 7. See, or 4, 0, 5 lekho. 4, 0, 5 minus 1, 7, right? 17, huh? The base value 10, right? So see, 5 minus 7 not possible. So borrow 1 here. So borrow 1 means what? It has to actually get 10, right? So 10 plus 0 is how much? 10. And then borrow 1 again here. So borrow 1 means here 10 and here 9. ओके जो बोरो 1 नौ सेठी एठी केते रहउची एठी 3 रहला राइट देन 10 plus 5 is how much 15 15 minus 7 is 8 आउ एठी केते रहितला 9 9 minus 1 is 8 एठी केते रहला 3 388 ओके आमे भी एज यूजुअल ऑपरेशन करछे 388 किंतु बोरो आमे सबले कोन आनछे 1 आनछे किंतु एक्चुअली बोरो 1 मींस व्हाट 1 नहीं 10 आछे because base value is 10 and this technique you can apply in all the number systems. Clear about the decimal number system subtraction? Now come to binary number system subtraction. Okay, binary number system subtraction. See, suppose 1 0 1 1 0 1 base 2 minus 1 1 base 2 right equal to. So here the base value is 2. So borrow 1 means what? That indicates 2. So see 1 0 1 1 1 right. So 1 minus 1 is how much? 0, no problem. But 0 minus 1 not possible. So borrow 1. Borrow 1 means what? 2. And here 0. Can you 1 type pole asla? Right? Then 2 minus 1 is what? 2 minus 1 is 1. And here 0. So your result will be what? 0 1 0 base 2. Very simple. Right? This is the normal subtraction on binary number system. But actually what? It follows the complementary system. 1's complement operation, 2's complement operations. Okay, later we will discuss. But this is the normal subtraction procedure. Right? So subtraction means what? It what? Means take a borrow. Take a borrow means what? That borrow value depending on the what? Binary your base value. Right? So borrow 1 means kona? It takes the borrow of the base value. So clear about the binary number system. So take another example. Suppose see 1 0 0 0 minus 1 1. See how can you take the perform? 0 minus 1 not possible. So you can take the borrow from here. So see borrow from this to this, that is what? 2. And then again 1 borrow from 1 from here to this, that is what? 2. Again 1 here borrow from 1 to this, that is what? 2. Okay, देखो 1 2 2 आसुची 1 1 subtract ହେଇକି आसुची. Then 2 minus 1 is how much? 2 plus 0 is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, and this is what? 1 and this is 0. So this is what? 0 1 0 1. Okay, so very simple. So check करियो केमती कहितली 1 0 0 0 एटा कत हला 2 to the 0 2 to the 1 2 to the 2 2 to the 3, that is what? 8. And this 1 1 1 1 is what? 3. So 8 minus 3 is how much? 5. आपको देखो convert करो 2 to the 0 2 to the 1 2 to the 2 2 to the 3. So this is 4 plus 1, that is 5. Binary to decimal subtraction. Okay, binary to decimal conversion. So in this way you can check whether the result is correct or not. Clear the binary subtraction? The same technique you can apply on the octal and hexa and other number systems also. See, come to the octal number systems, the subtraction operation on octal number systems. Okay, see, suppose octal number system. Octal means base value is 8. Suppose 4 5 base 8 minus 1 6 base 8. So how can you perform the octal? So see 4 5 1 6. So 5 minus 6 not possible, right? So borrow here, borrow 1 here. Borrow 1 means what? 8, and this becomes 3. Okay, ये था 3 है गला. So 8 plus 5 is how much? 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 minus 6 is how much? 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 minus 6 is how much? 13 minus 6. So 7. Here it is 7. And it is what? 3 minus 1 is 2. So 2 7 base 8. Very simple. Clear? So this is what 13 minus 6 is 7 and 3 minus 1 is 2. So 2 7 base 8. Take another example. Suppose 4 0 5 1 7, right? The base value is same 8. So here the base value is 8. So 5 minus 7 not possible. So carry 1 here. So carry 1 means what? 8, and here it becomes 3. Again from 8, sorry, not carry, borrow, borrow 1 here. So that is what? 8. This becomes 7. Then 8 plus 5 is how much? 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 minus 7. 13 minus 7 is what? Yes, 13 minus 7 is 6, and 7 minus 1 is 6, and this is 3. So 3 6 6 base 8. Okay, so very simple. So this is what? Octal subtraction on the octal number systems, right? Next come to decimal number systems. Hexadecimal number systems. That is the subtraction operation. How can you perform the subtraction operation on hexadecimal number systems? So suppose 1a minus, this is the 16, 1a minus 2 5, suppose 1a minus 2 5. That's simple. Octadecimal 1a, and here base value is what? 16. So a means what? A means 10. So 10 minus 5 is how much? 5. And this is what? 1. 1 minus 2 not possible. So you take better 9a. Okay, 9a, and 9 minus 2 is how much? 7. So 7 5 base 16. Clear? The simple. Take a complex one. Suppose 9 1 2, okay, and minus suppose 2 5, okay, 9 1 2 minus 2 5. This is the hexadecimal number systems. So 2 minus 5 not possible, right? So borrow 1 here. That is what? Borrow 1 means what? 16, and it becomes what? 0, right? So 16 plus 2 how much? 18. 18 minus 5 is how much? 13. But there is no numbers like 13. So 13 means what? A means 10, B means 11, C means 12, D means 13. So put D here. Very simple. Next, 0 minus 2 not possible. Again borrow 1 here. Borrow 1 means what? 16, and it becomes 8. So 16 minus 2 how much? 16 minus 2 is 14. 16 minus 2 is 14, and 14 means what? E, and 8. So 8 ED what? Base 16. Clear? So the same technique we are applying on all the number system, that is the addition and subtraction. In addition we are taking the help of carry, and in subtraction we are taking the what? Help of borrow. Okay, so borrow means what? The base value, and carry means what? The base value. Okay, so carry और तुम्हारे कौन borrow same जिनस. Okay, सब बड़े base value ऊपर dependent है कि अच्छी. तो same number system. Suppose मु आउट number system जिंदु कहली. Suppose तुम्हारा tricks question टिके आसीबो. Suppose subtraction करिया पे कहबो. कौन? Suppose 4 1 2 base 7 minus 2 6 base 7. Suppose base 7 value आसला. किसी problem नहीं. सब बड़े तुम base value को कौन? Base value पर नजर रखतुओ. Suppose 4 1 2. एटी कौन? 2 6. देखो 2 minus 6 not possible. So carry 1. Carry 1 means what? Sorry, borrow 1. Borrow 1 means 7. Then it becomes 0. So 7 plus 2 is what? 9. And 9 minus 6 is 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 minus 6 is how much? 9 minus 6 is 3. Okay. Then here 0. 0 minus 2 not possible. So borrow 1 here. Borrow 1 means what? 7. 7 minus 2 is 5. And here it becomes 3. So 3. So 3, 5, 3 base 7. Okay. Clear about the addition and subtraction of all the number systems, right? So now come to solve some more questions. Like suppose तुमको different number systems रे addition subtraction देते हो, जैसे मैं कही थी previously. Suppose गोटे देची 4 5 base 7 plus 1 3 base 6. आपको कन्वर्ट करिया पे पड़िबो suppose 7 रे, राइट? तो 7 को कन्वर्ट करिया पे पड़ियो माने मते देखो मु कहितली केबे भी गोटे ऑपरेशन पॉसिबल होबनी जदि बेस वैल्यू अलग अलग थिबो. तुमको एठी बेस वैल्यू सेम करियर अछि. आइदर दीटा को 6 करियर अछि बेस वैल्यू और दीटा को 7 करियर अछि, राइट? सो जेहेतु मोर रिजल्ट अछि 7 ऊपर तेणु मु चाहिबी आर बेस वैल्यू को 7 करिया. केमती वेरे 7 करिया, राइट? अच्छा फर्स्ट मु कौन करबी 13 6 को मु कन्वर्ट करबी 13 व्हाट 13 7. सो डायरेक्टली नॉट पॉसिबल. बेस 6 को बेस 7 को पॉसिबल करियबनी, किंतु एनी नंबर सिस्टम को डेसिमल को हमें कन्वर्ट करते परिबा. ओके. तो जे कोनसी नंबर सिस्टम को मु डेसिमल को केमती कन्वर्ट करबी ट्रिक्स ता जणा अछि त मको केमती कन्वर्ट करबी डेसिमल को. तो एनी नंबर सिस्टम कैन बी कन्वर्टेड टू डेसिमल व्हाट केमती वेरे कोन हबो बाय डिवाइडिंग इट्स बेस वैल्यू, नहीं कि तार बेस वैल्यू सहित डिवाइड होगी से डेसिमल को कन्वर्ट हम, राइट? सो सो मोर केमती हम सी सपोज 13 डिवाइडेड बाय इट्स बेस वैल्यू. सो 6 केते हला 6 1 6 2 6 2 12 केते होची 1. सो मोर रिजल्ट होची 2 1 बेस 10 2 1 बेस 10. थरे जदि मु बेस 10 को कन्वर्ट कर दोची ताले ताकू 7 को कन्वर्ट करिया इजी. केमती वेरे 7 को कन्वर्ट करिवो यस केमती वेरे बेस 7 को केमती कन्वर्ट करिवा. अच्छा सी सब मु 7 को केमती कन्वर्ट करू सी एनी नंबर सिस्टम सी 13 बेस 6. ओके. सो फर्स्ट मु कोन करबी डेसिमल को कन्वर्ट करबी एंड देन ताकू कौन बेस 7 नंबर को कन्वर्ट करी. तो एनी नंबर सिस्टम विल बी कन्वर्टेड टू डेसिमल. द concept is what power system. Power system means what? See 13 base 60 base 6. So केमती कन्वर्ट करबी 6 to the power 0 6 to the power 1 right to left. Okay. So that is 1 into 6 to the power 1 plus 3 into 6 to the power 0. That equal to how much? It is 6 plus 6 to the 0 is 1. 3 into 1 is 3 equal to 9, right? So that is what 9 base 10 easy. Then थोड़े यदि डेसिमल नंबर मु पाई गली डेसिमल नंबर टू एनी नंबर कन्वर्सन हेले तार बेस वैल्यू सहित डिवाइड हो ताले 9 डिवाइडेड बाय 7. तो 7 1 7 कैरी 2. सो मोर नंबर टा कोन हला 1 2. सो 1 2 बेस 7, राइट? सो 1 2 बेस 7. तो मोर बर्तन एटा हेला कोन क्लियर हला केमते कन्वर्सन हला. तो मु बर्तन कोन करबी एटा ए जे नंबर सिस्टम टा एटा कन्वर्ट हे जिवो कोन से 4 5 बेस 7 प्लस 1 2 बेस 7 इक्वल टू ताले मु थरे जदी दीटा बेस वैल्यू सेम पाई गली ताले बर्तन रिजल्ट पाए पे मते इजी हे जिवो. दैट इज व्हाट 4 5 एंड 1 2. सी 5 2 is 7. So divided by 7 7 1 0, right? So 0 carry 1. So 4 1 5 1 6. So 6 0 base 7, right? Very simple. So in this way first you check whether both the base values are same or not. Okay. So if not same then your first task is what? To keep the base value of both the numbers, okay, must be same, right? then only you can proceed for the operation, either addition or subtraction. दुईटा ऑपरेशन पाई मोर ए कॉन्सेप्ट दरकार. ओके फास्ट बेस वैल्यू चेक करिवे तापरे ऑपरेशन करि. तो मु बर्तन किछि असाइनमेंट क्वेश्चन दे देबी ताको जस्ट प्रैक्टिस करिवो. ओके केमती रिजल्ट होची तापर मते सबमिट करिवो व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप रे. ठीक अछि. देखो किछि असाइनमेंट क्वेश्चन लेखो. सपोज uh, 5 6 base 8 plus 1 2 4 base 8, right? 7 6 base 9 minus 1 8 base 9. One 0 0 1, right? 2 minus 1 1 1 base 2. 9 b base 16 minus 2 8 base 16. Okay, 5 1 5 1 0 3 base 7 minus 4 5 base 6 equal to base 7. Okay, question टा practice करिवा. So I hope you must be cleared all these things in today's lectures. So if you have any doubts or any queries, then link is given. Please put your queries, suggestions and comment there. Thank you. Thank you to all.